we are going to solve top k frequent elements. Given an integer array nums, we have to return k most frequent element. That implies, in our case, we have to return two most frequent elements. So first frequent element is 3, second frequent element is 2. If here it's given 1, we have to give the most frequent element 3. To solve this problem, we will use dictionaries. We'll check if the element is already initialized. No. We'll initialize its value as key and the value as 1. Go to the second element. We'll check if it is already initialized. We will initialize it as key with the value 1. Now we'll check. Yeah, it's already initialized. So we'll increment the value plus 1. We will check if the value is already initialized. No. We will initialize its value with 1. We'll check again. Yeah, it's already initialized. So we'll increment the value by plus 1. It's already initialized. So we'll increment the value as plus 1. The final dictionary we will get as 1, 2, 3. This represents the element and this represents the count. This might be a little bit confusing. We'll just convert the dictionary into array of keys with reverse order of their values. That means first will be 3, second will be 2, third will be 1. For the key 3, the value is highest. For the key 2, the value is second highest. For the key 1, the value is third highest. So we'll arrange it accordingly. Now k is 2. Then we just only have to return 3 and 2. And if k is 1, we have to return only 3. Now let's jump into coding. We'll initialize our empty dictionary. We'll take answers array. We'll loop through each element in the nums array. We'll check if it is not present in dictionary. We'll simply make the key. I'll initialize its value. If it is already present, then we'll increment the count. Now we'll sort the keys according to their values in descending order. Sort the dictionary according to their values. So, according to the values in reverse order. Now we have to loop through the dictionary array till k. To append in answers array. To return answers array. We'll check. Yeah. we have successfully solved the problem.